This is Zanegler bringing you a Tesla Semi Advocate special report. We're interrupting your normal programming and bringing you this short video to announce and share the news that based on excellent intel from viewers, specifically the first to point this out was Zathras on X. He pointed out that this is in fact not Griffin Industries, but a piece of equipment, specifically a gantry crane from Griffin Industrial Contracting Company. They specialize in helping design and set up production lines, and they offer mechanical and electrical engineering contracting. Zanegler is now confident that the Griffin equipment being assembled is a gantry crane that will be utilized to move assembly line equipment into the factory. Furthermore, based on reporting from Joe Tegtmeyer at Giga Texas, it seems very likely that the stamping press and/or presses being prepared for shipment down at Giga Texas are destined for Nevada. And I would say follow Joe and Zanegler to see if this informed speculation is accurate. And I'd like to credit Zathras, Desi Doolin, and many other viewers for providing the color that is often done on this channel by viewers that notice or are able to elaborate, clarify, or confirm or deny speculation. So what we're about to see is the assembly of this gantry crane that is used to bring in heavy equipment and help set up the production line. Specifically the stamping presses, which will go into this stamping, the high stamping section of the building, are going to likely be unloaded here at the west end, be brought into the BFD, the big freaking door that we're about to see, and make a right turn and matriculate its way down to the south end and be placed in the stamping section. This equipment likely would be used for installing other equipment, but specifically it's for extremely large, for moving extremely large pieces of equipment like the stamping presses. I think that the smaller robots and fabricating equipment probably don't need this. By the way, Griffin on their website is participated in the work down at Giga Texas and played a similar role in Giga Texas. So it's a trusted Tesla partner. They list Tesla as a client on their website, and you can find them on the internet. I did ask Grok to help with some background information on them. And so this is the assembly process where they're using this crane to load the different pieces. I will fly the drone again tomorrow, Saturday, July 11th, early in the morning, to see the progress that's been made on this particular, piece of equipment, gantry crane. And we'll get a better look at the completed version. And if we could coordinate with Joe Tegtmeyer or viewers when those heavy haul semis leave Giga Texas with the stamping presses that have been stored down there, I'm speculating that it will be about 3 days travel time to get here, based on the semi drivers having to take mandatory stops. And there's several variables whether or not they have two drivers. I don't know. I don't think they would. But if you're if you're a long haul semi truck driver especially with some expertise or experience hauling heavy equipment, give us an idea. But the idea is to try to fly the drone here at Giga Nevada to see the arrival of those stamping presses, a huge watershed event in the year and a half or more following of the construction of Giga Semi, the high volume Tesla semi factory. And we're going to take a look at more of the Griffin equipment, gantry crane being assembled. And thanks for watching this Zanegler special announcement.